So if you saw the service video, just had to change the ballast resistor or dropper resistor, whatever you want to call it, to one which was 6 watt rated, so that the radio's got a fighting chance in doing 4 watts, because the 3 watt rated one that was already fitted, although the right value, at the end of the day it's not going to allow 4 watts output, and we were stuck with about 3.4 watts, so now it's doing full 4 watts. Other than that, I've got a duff capacitor in it, and we changed the trimmer capacitor for the transmit VCO, which was intermittent. So see what's on Mr. Mega Chippie channel. Tango 21 test.
Tango 21 working.
Excellent, I'll put the extension squeaker in. Now this has got PA as well, so I've got to put the right one in. I can never read these sets. It's stamped on the back panel, and by the time they're 40 years old, it's a bit indistinct. Are we anywhere near where we were? Tango 21.
Roger, off we go. Right, we're now passing the house and recording.
Roger Dodger. So, as I was saying earlier, there's no tone control on this set.
Roger that. Right, we're coming up to the end of the line.
Roger got you at the end of the lane.
Roger.
Service station, and it's closed.
That's a lazy lot. Okay, Roger.
Passing through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger, got you going through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger. Top of the hill as we go down in towards Wilsford.
Roger, got you at the top of the hill.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford.
Roger, got you loud and clear going round Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear going round Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. I'm on a Harvard
402 MPA, and it's doing a full 4 watt output, and I'm on a standard replacement mic over.
Yep, roger that, all received.
This is the radio we started servicing last time, Scars Plus seating over.
Yeah, roger.
got you going over Wilford level crossing.
Passing the Kelby turn.
Roger, got you at the Kelby turn.
Roger. Right, we're now passing the Greyleaves turn.
Roger, got you at the Greyleaves turn.
Roger. From Mr. Chippie, we're now at the 5 mile point.
Roger on that. Right, so I'm on this Harvard 402 MTA, which is Cybernet 002F chassis, drawing 1.4 amps to deliver the full 4 watt output. Got incredible receive now, it's being sorted at 0.2 microvolts. Split the little switch at the back, if I can find it. Here we go, 54321. We're now on 250 milliwatts, 250 milliwatts. The radio is drawing 600 power. And there we are back at 4 watts, over.
Yep, Roger, no problem. Able to receive you on both.
Well, can't be bad, it's even better when it's 250 milliwatts. Off you go when you're ready.
Roger. Right, we're on the move again.
Roger, Dodger.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie, we're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over.
Going over Rossby level crossing.
Right, petrol price is 145.9, 154.9.
Okay, thanks very much.
Yep, roger that. 10-10.
10-10. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. Rossby level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Rossby level crossing. Have you got a petrol price for me at that end, please? Over.
Petrol price is 145.9, 154.9.
Excellent, that worked great. Thanks very much.
Yep, roger that. 10-10.
10-10. Yeah, that did work great. And I'm looking at things like his reply at Kelby, and it did open the squelch, which it often doesn't. It's 50-50. And he's received it at 250 milliwatts. So I'll be interested to look at his side of the video when we edit that. So pleased about that. Very nice set that's turned out to be. We'll go over to our base station and see what it sounds like.
Tango 21, testing the Harvard 402 MPA into our Midlands 76900 base station on our standard replacement mic. 54321 12345. We're going to low power just for a hum check. Especially if I can find the switch. There we go, 12345 54321 low power, and then back to normal power. So there you have it. I think we're doing a Maxcom 30